such a good night's sleep. Don't you agree, Tails?
Yep.
Great. Hey, Tails. Sorry about yesterday. If you want, we can go back where you can see your friends again.
No! God!
I mean, no thanks. I don't really want to go anymore.
Really? Well, if you say so.
Oh, it's nothing. It's not like I snuck out in the middle of the night yesterday. I went to go see my friends again, even though you told me not to. And I ended up finding out that my friends aren't actually my friends. And all they wanted to do was to kidnap me, and God knows what.
What's wrong?
Oo, tayo diri ka po eh. Ganino.
What the hell is happening?
Sonic, I'm sorry. I snuck out last night to go see them, and now they're evil.
You what? Don't be telling me about calories. I need bitch. God damn it! All right. Whoa, bitch!
Oh, magpapatak! Ay!
You ain't gonna shit. Shut your mouth.
Is it over?
What's wrong? What are you looking at?
Did you wash your ass today?
Sonic, can you get us out of here?
Let's see. Yeah, no, we're both dead.
Why are you doing this to us?
Me? What did I do?
Hey, bitches.
What?
I'm feeling